Organizing photos properly is one of the most important parts of working in Adobe Lightroom Classic, especially for photographers and creators managing thousands of images. A clean workflow makes editing faster, helps prevent lost files, and improves long-term project management. And honestly, professional photographers spend almost as much time organizing photos as they do editing them. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to organize photos in Lightroom Classic step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and create or open an existing catalog. When importing photos, choose organized folder locations instead of random desktop storage. A common professional workflow is organizing folders by year, month, event, or client name. Collections help group photos together without moving the original files from their folders. And that's your full guide on how to organize photos in Lightroom Classic in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to manage large photo libraries and create a faster, more professional editing workflow using Adobe Lightroom Classic.